Hey, what's going on? We're back for another property tour here in Elmont, New York, one of Long Island's quiet suburbs. And we have a wonderful home. The owner is still finishing up some renovations that he's doing to the home, so please excuse a little bit of the details you may see in the video. Hey, what's up? It's NYC Real Estate P, your New York City and Long Island real estate agent, and we're going to tour this beautiful home in Elmont, New York. 6 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, currently listed at $879,000. We want to give a special thanks to Fanny Chang for allowing us to tour this home and to share with all of you. Alright, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. It's going to motivate me to put out more tours of properties that are currently listed on the market and just putting out more content for you each and every week. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the tour of that home. Again, it's a wonderful home. I think the owner is doing a great job putting all the details of that home together. Again, it's currently on the market for $879,000. If you are interested in this home, please contact me. My information is down in the description below. You can call me, text me, send me a DM. You can comment on this video. Let me know that you're interested. We can have a conversation and hopefully get you into this home as soon as possible. Also, if you enjoyed the tour of this home or you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. That's also going to motivate me to put out more videos like this. I'm NYC Real Estate P, and I'll catch you next time.